Welcome to class. I am Mohammed Ali, mathematics teacher. Today we try to solve one very important question from percentage change. At first we try to understand to increase an amount by 15%. To increase an amount by 15% means find 115% of the amount. That is 100% plus 15%, that means 115%. We should find out the 115% of this product. To decrease an amount by 15%, so we should find 85% of the amount. That means 100% minus 15% equals to 85%. Now, we'll solve this maths. In a cell, all marked price were reduced by 30%. Find the sale price for each of these items. A sale was 475, but when it is decrease, 30% decrease means what? 30% decrease, that means 100% minus 30% equals to 70%. So we have to find out 70% of the amount, sale amount, 475. So 70 by 100 multiply 475. So it will be $332.5. Number B. So when 30% discount, the sale was 860. So like the previous one, 100% minus 30%, that means 70%. We have to find out the 70% of $860. So it will be 70 by 100 multiply 860. It will be $602. Now C number, 30% reduce means 100% minus 30%, that means 70%. So 70% of $595, that means 70 by 100 of 595. So it will be $416.5. So I believe that everybody understood this maths. Still, if you have any confusion, please contact with me. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you all.